Good evening students, this is Saboni Dhara. Welcome to my channel Dhara Education. Today we will going to start with the class 7th SSC board mathematics. So today we will going to start to know about how to find out HCF and LCM. So let's start students. Chapter number 3, HCF and LCM, practice set 12. So here we have question number 1, find the HCF. Sub question 1, 25 and 40. So how we will going to solve it, I will let you know individually. So first of all, we will going to solve question number 1, sub question 1, first one, that is 25. So 25 we have to write like this. In the textbook also you can say and you can see how the format is being used in mathematics. So 25 we have to write first on the right hand side uppermost place, and then we need to count down the tables. So 25 is going to come in which table? We need to understand. So for that reason we need to know the tables. At least minimum from 0 to table 13 or 14. Maximum no limit, but at least till here we should know. So 25 comes under the table of 5. 5 5s are 25. So how we will going to write? Now let's start. We will write 25, 5 on the left hand side uppermost place. Then we have to write lower below the 25, stating that it is a cross of 5 5s are 25. On the other hand, when the 5 is there, so we need to measure up 5 is going to become in which table? In the table 5. So again we will going to write 5 on the left hand side, and we will put 5 1s are 5. So that's why I have written here 5 1s are 5. So this is the method that you need to understand. In the later on we need to write therefore 25 is equals to 5 5s are, means we are taking the left hand side most to 5. 5 multiplied by 5 we are getting 25. Move on to the next part of question number 1, sub question 1, that is 40. It is our question. So how we have to write this? Now how we will going to solve this? 40 on the right hand side first we will going to write. Then 40 comes in which table? 40 comes in the table of even, that is 2. 2 20s are 40. So the table of 2 we will going to write on the left hand side. See students, here like this. And 20, how much is a 40? 2 20s are 40. So 20 we will going to write below 40. Then again the question arises in your mind 20. So the table 20 comes in the table of 2. So again we will going to take the table of 2. So whenever students we are taking the table, we have to write the number of table on the left hand side, the first which we have solved. So in the case of 20 also we will write 2 10s are 20. So we are taking table 2. So we will going to write on the left hand side like this. And then we will going to write 2 how much are 20? 2 10s are 20. So 10 we will going to write below 20 like this. Later on we will going to write 10 is coming under the which table? It comes under 2 table again. Okay, table of 2. So we will going to take 2 again on the left hand side, stating 2 5s are 10. So first we will going to write the table number, that is 2 on the left hand side like this, and then 5s are 2 5s are 10. Then at last we have 5, table of 5. So 5, of course, it will going to come in the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5. So we will going to write 5 5s are 1. So this is end of our sum, and here we will going to conclude all the left hand side tables. We will going to take it, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So among the first part and the second part, in both the parts we have a common number which is called 5. So the answer is HCF of 25 and 40 is equals to 5. So this is the one which is shown on the screen. I hope so you got the way how to solve this exercise. It is a basic sums, that's why I have taken little bit time. Later on I will just going to solve it on the screen. So thank you so much for watching it. The next video will be uploaded very soon. Thanks for your precious time. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and put thumbs up for my videos. Comment on my video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.